race in my 4-wheeler, and Daddy made it. Did a race, and he won this. And I'll show you it. I like that one big light right here. We're still working on it. The side, the back, and the other side. And we just need to finish putting this on, I think.
What's going on, everyone? All right, look, we are back and we are going to be putting our wheels on the Boulder. Now, I already put the rear wheels on. They're just a groove. It's a groove to the wheel and you just slide it on. It's kind of a plug and play deal. The front wheels right here, they're the ones that are a little bit finicky. So I want to zoom in and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. Okay, guys, so we're going to be putting the wheels on. I'm showing you the front wheels, which you have to kind of be very, you have to pay attention a little bit more to. A lot of this, thankfully, is just like a plug and play deal. I'll go over what we did later, but this is the one part of this build where you have to pay attention and make sure it's right. All right, so you have to come back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to get a good angle. Hold on. Right here, this has to be in between. So you have to make sure this groove, hold on. We got to make sure this groove is seated right there. That prevents the wheel from locking up and causing some serious issues. So that right there, I don't know, I think you can see it. This groove right here has to be together before you can slide your wheel over. Alrighty. There's my son. He's looking too. It's very important. Very important to go over, right? Yeah. Safety is huge. Mm-hmm. All right. So that's that. Now we put our tire on. And then it goes over, your brakes, and then into here. Should just be a quick click. Slides in. All right. Then you have this castle nut. Mm-hmm. You got your washer. Castle nut, washer, and your little pin. Okay. Oh, and you got your hubcap right there. Like what we did over there. See? Yeah. Perfect. Yep. So now we'll do that.
Put that on.
And I'll tighten that up. Not too much. You want to pinch your tire. You want it to be able to spin freely.
Yeah.
So we put our pin in our hole.
Right.
Yep. And then we're going to bend it up and over.
Right there. Hammer it.
Hammer it.
Just like that.
And this, we're going to put our hubcap
right on top of it.
Mm-hmm. And then it's a little bit finicky. That actually went over a lot easier.
And now it spins.
Yep, now it spins. Now you do that. The biggest part about this vehicle is you have to make sure that the things in the back are lined up. That the tab and the groove are lined up. So that way that prevents a lot of injury. Especially when you're putting this together yourself. You take all responsibility yourself in your safety. And in our case, our cameraman's safety. Which, we don't want you getting hurt, right?
Yeah.
We don't want you getting hurt at all. So, making sure that things are safe. Good job, man. So now we are going to be putting our chain guard up here.
Right there.
And that it's a rock guard to protect. Acts like a shield so stuff doesn't gunk up your chain.
Like rocks?
Yep. And so we have 1, 2, 3, and I already took this guy out. All right. Yeah.
Okay, we're recording. So Daddy's doing something. I have no idea what he's doing.
Can you grab this? Pull it. All right, that's your brake.
Brake?
Yep. All right.
But how come there's two?
There's front brake and back brake.
I want to hit them both.
You want to hit one or the other. Try to practice using this guy, because if you keep your legs like this, remember this right here is hot. Okay. This is your back brake, so you gotta hold a brake in order to start it.
But if I want to go flying back?
No, there's no reverse. There's no reverse, only forward. Then you push this button with this hand.
He's got to put his foot down on the brake.
Put your foot down on the brake.
Down.
Okay.
Now start it.
Now hit this. Hold it. Oh.
There you go. Yeah.
There you go. Now hit it. All right, let go of it. All right. Okay. You want to know your gas? That's your brake. That's your gas. So you're gonna go like. Yep. Woo! Don't do that one with the brake being held. You go slow. You let go of the gas. Let go of the gas.
Let go of the brake.
Brake. Okay.
Go ahead. Give it a little gas, babe. A little on the thing. There you go.
Yeah. Now, slowly, go around the circle. Remember, you're turning with your body.
Like that?
All right, which one's your brake?
Take your foot off the brake.
Take your foot off the brake, remember. Got it. But just when you need it, that's when it is, okay? There you go. There you go. See? Now you know. That's how you brake. Go to mom and brake. Easy there, killer. Don't have to go so fast. There you go. Now, get your foot off the brake. You gotta get your foot off the brake if you're gonna hit the gas, or you'll burn up the brake. There you go. There he goes.